Hi everyone! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Laluna Taro. So, pasensya na kayo kung medyo iba yung ating setup ngayon. Okay? So, for today, guys, we are going to do a pick a card reading. Okay? So, sa harapan ninyo, medyo marami-rami tong tarot deck and oracle card na ating ginamit. So, in front of you, we have three cards, okay? Three decks. So, first one, this is pile number 1. The second one is our pile number 2. And the third one is our pile number 3. Okay, so ano ba yung topic natin for today? Ang topic natin for today is, ano ba yung takot siyang sabihin sa'yo? Ano yung mga bagay na natatakot siyang pwedeng ipagtapat sa'yo, sabihin sa'yo? So, titingnan natin. Person on your mind or this specific person you are dealing with. So, again, take what's resonate and leave the rest. Pwedeng mag-resonate sa inyo to and pwedeng hindi. If hindi nag-resonated sa inyo yung napili nyong pile, just choose another pile. Kasi baka meron kayong messages doon sa ibang file. Mahalaga na mag-meditate muna kayo bago kayo pumili ng pile. Okay? Meditate on your pile. Okay? So again, this is pile number 1, pile number 2, pile number 3. So pili na kayo guys. Ano yung mga bagay na natatakot siyang sabihin sa'yo? This person on your mind or this person you are dealing with. Either from the past or currently. Okay? 1, 2, 3, choose and magsisimula na tayo. Okay, kung nakapili na kayo ng pile na sa tingin ninyo mag-resonate sa inyo, let's start with pile number 1 and itatago muna natin yung other pile. Okay. So, pile number 1, kung ito yung napili mo, this is your reading. Kung ano yung mga bagay o yung mga gustong sabihin sa'yo ng person mo pero natatakot lang siyang sabihin sa'yo. So, start na tayo. Okay, tingnan natin yung oracle card mo. Luminous card. Jupiter expansion. Okay, so Jupiter expansion is your luminous card. Okay. So, what I sense here, first na na-send ko dito, or nakuha ko dito, na-pick up ko dito is pwedeng, if you are dealing with this person, marami kayong ups and down na pinagdaanan, or ikaw, pile number 1, marami kang ups and down na emotions or situation na pinagdaanan in regards dito sa person na to. Okay, pwedeng meron akong narinig, pwedeng you are dealing with a Scorpio. You are dealing with Scorpio. Meron akong narinig na Scorpio. Okay, pwedeng this person is a teacher in profession, or you are a teacher in profession. Mahilig kang mag-travel kasi teacher and lectures is here. Oo. This person can be Sagittarius with the exploration. Meron din akong nakuhang energy na for some of you, pile number 1 is matyaga. or mahaba ang pasensya. You can be a generous person. A generous person, an optimist, positive thinker. Meron akong nakita na for some of you, pwedeng there is gambling happening in this person. Kung sino man yung nanggagamble, sumusugal, or pwedeng sugal yung connection ninyo. I don't know. Meron akong narinig na parang gamble, trying a luck, parang ganon. Gambling. Yes. Taking chance. Or pwedeng this person is wants to take a chance with you. Or you want to take a chance with this person. I don't know. Yun ang nakuha ko. There is someone na want to take a chance. Gambling. Okay, so titingnan natin. Titingnan pa natin on your tarot cards, pile number 1. Jupiter expansion. Uy, someone here, meron din ako nakita na pwedeng this person is a foreigner with an expansion or ibang lahi itong person na to. Hindi kayo same ng culture. Hindi kayo same ng belief. It is from another country or from other country. Ha? Alam ko hindi mag-resonate sa inyo ha. Pero meron akong nakuha na from other country. Itong person na to. Take what's resonate, guys. Nakilala mo to? Abroad or this is from other country. Kaya medyo mahirap sa inyong dalawa. Kumbaga unknown. This is a unknown. Unknown connection. Kasi hindi nyo masyadong kabisado yung isa't isa. Pwedeng ganon. Pwedeng you are taking a chance lang, a connection with other cultures or other foreigner, parang ganon. So, let's see. Tarot card, I will ilalapag ko muna yung tarot card mo bago ko basahin, okay? Uy, marriage. 10 of Cups, water sign. You could be a water sign or this could be a water sign or someone here wants to have a family. Depende sa inyong dalawa kung sino yung gusto na magkapamilya sa inyong dalawa. Yes. Or gusto na mag-settle down. Or pwedeng galing sa long-term relationship or this is a long-term relationship, an actual long-term relationship. King of Swords, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Clarity, air sign again. Uy, Hangman. Three of Pentacles. Okay, for some of you guys, it can be this is a coworker from abroad. Nakilala mo, meron ako nakita na it can be someone here is dealing with a coworker who is residing abroad. Or someone here is studying abroad. Taking a chance to live or to working in abroad. Kasi meron ako nakikita foreign. This is a foreign culture or foreign person, a foreigner. Hindi to sa ano eh, hindi to sa bansa natin eh. Yes. You are gambling, taking a risk. Mm-mm. Okay. For some of you, someone here is going abroad, pupunta ng ibang bansa because meron siyang family doon. Okay. Or you are dealing with the King of Swords, someone who is very intelligent, a fast-paced kind of a person. Okay. Very intelligent, very good in conversation siya. This can be a higher position. This person is a higher rank when it comes sa trabaho. Yes. Maybe this person is your boss. Maybe, meron akong nakita na maybe this is your boss with the King of Swords. Um, na gusto makipag-communicate sa'yo, gives clarity. Communication kasi ang Ace of Swords. Will message you, will send you a message. Okay? Siguro, itong person na to is gustong makipag-collaborate sa'yo. Gustong makipag-collaborate sa'yo to. Gustong alam mo yun, makipag-build. Makipag-build. Makipag-collaborate pagdating sa trabaho. And pa pwedeng may potential to na maging long-term commitment kasi Ten of Cups, marriage card is here. Marriage card is here. Ten of Cups, this is a happiness, completion of emotions. Si Ten of Cups, guys. A reunion, gathering, marriage, di ba? Long-term relationship, stability, and security. Okay? So, kung ikaw ang person na you are in a hangman position or hangman energy, na for me, you are looking for direction or parang hinahanap mo pa kung ano yung way or decision na dapat mong pagdesisyonan, if your husband or if someone, your boyfriend or someone is inaaya ka to go abroad or kukunin ka to go abroad, maybe this is the reading na nagko-confirm na to take a risk kasi Ten of Cups is here, a marriage. Po pwedeng hindi to literally message, dito hindi to literally marriage, pero Ten of Cups is a wish fulfillment or yung talagang happiness na mangyayari with the King of Swords. Okay? Someone, siguro nakita yung potential mo as a person, siguro you are a hard worker, a good a good employee. Okay? Or maybe you are waiting, okay? You are waiting for someone or a King of Swords to offer you a marriage and kukunin ka sa abroad. Ayan na, this is a foreigner. Can be this is a foreigner. I hope makuha ko yung energy nyo. Sorry guys, medyo gulo-gulo yung pagkakasabi ko kasi sobrang daming pumapasok kasi na messages. I'm so sorry ha. pwede sigurong you are overthinking right now, contemplating if this is a true connection or not. I don't know kasi meron ako nakita dito, you're in a hangman. So, pwedeng madaming tumatakbo sa isip mo, like mine. Maraming tumatakbo sa isip mo, which or what to do. Okay? Kasi parang parang you are gambling here in this connection. Pwedeng hindi mo pa to talaga totally kilala. I don't know. Pwedeng matagal mo lang siyang kakonect, kausap, or boyfriend. Titingnan natin. The moon, o diba, hidden. Scorpio, the moon, secrets, or hidden pa siya, unknown. Water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Di ba kanina sabi ko Scorpio? Okay. The Hierophant. Oh, Hierophant is another card of marriage. Pwedeng asawa mo to? May asawa kang foreigner or this person will offer you a marriage? I don't know. Hierophant is here. Pwedeng asawa to eh. Uy. Temperance. Pero kanina kasi tumalsik siya in reverse. Actually, hindi ako nagbabasa ng reversal. Okay? Pero kasi, temperance for me, someone is parang nagja-juggle. It be a Sagittarius, nagja-juggle or nagtitimbang ng sitwasyon. Kasi nga, gamble eh. Diba? When you are gambling, you are parang naninimbang kung ano yung pipiliin. Diba? Kapag nagsusugal. O diba guys? If you are nagsusugal, syempre diba like color game, you are naninimbang kung anong color ang pipiliin, anong number ang i-shade when in bingo. I'm so sorry guys. Example lang yon yung ibinibigay ko. So, temperance, someone here is writing, may nakita kong pwede pinag-aaralan kung ano yung next step, kung ano yung pros and cons. Pwedeng someone here is need to let go of a mindset. Kasi, pwedeng someone is just waiting pa. Meron akong nakikita na someone is waiting. Still waiting for a clarity or to make a decision when it comes to expand a connection. Meron ako nakikitang ganun eh. You are seeking some truth maybe if you are going to pursue someone or vice versa guys. The world card is another signify na abroad, malayo, so tawid dagat. The world card po pwedeng ibang bansa. This is the second card confirming na po pwedeng abroad. Okay? Abroad to guys. Seven of Swords. Meron ako nakikita dito na someone is researching, someone is researching, someone is contemplating. Someone is may pinag-aaralan niya or inaalam niya yung information. Meron akong nakikitang ganon. Someone here is pwedeng inaalam yung information before siguro mag-decide to go forward towards someone or sasama sa isa. Meron ako nakita na someone is parang afraid to pursue a person or mag-push through sa person kasi natatakot siya kung seryoso ba talaga to or hindi. I don't know ha. Kasi this is a foreign connection. Malayo. Someone here is studying o pwedeng studying a language or studying, I don't know, meron akong nakikitang studying language, studying place of this abroad na tinutukoy dito na nakukuha kong energy. Nililista yung mga pointers. Meron akong nakikita, nililista yung mga pointers. Kasi unknown. When we say unknown, guys, this is hindi mo kabisado. Hindi mo kabisado yung lugar, hindi mo kabisado yung culture. Expansion. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, inaalam mo yung culture, inaalam mo yung place, inaalam mo yung pinakamap, inaalam mo yung lugar, inaalam mo yung whereabouts. It's either nitong lugar na pupuntahan mo with this person, or lugar na pupuntahan mo, o kung nasa santong person na to, nagre-research ka, inaalam mo yung whereabouts, or all about, parang ganon. Pwedeng itong person na to, yung inaalam kung nasa saan ka, or ikaw. Kasi pwedeng ang sabi ko, yung iba sa inyo, baka hindi nyo pa masyadong kilala yung isa't isa. O pwedeng ganon ha. Pero meron ako nakikita dito, may marriage dito, pwedeng engage ka dito sa person na to. With the 10 of Cups, Hierophant, and 3 of Pentacles. So, tingnan pa natin. So, tingnan natin sa oracle mo. Let's see. Sa Island Time Wellness mo, you have 2 cards. Oh my God! I'm so sorry! Oh my gosh! Wedding rings! I told you! Wedding ring is here! Wedding rings! Ikakasal ka ba, pile number 1? Ikakasal ka ba sa iba ang culture? Kasi 10 of Cups, Hierophant, and 3 of Pentacles, this card for me signify a marriage. Wedding rings, union, wedding, marriage, soul connection, eternal love, everlasting promise. Wedding rings, I cannot. Oh my God! Second card, Hand of Cards. Anong sabi ko? If you are struggling to have a decision when it comes to this connection, kasi inaalam mo pa kung mapagkakatiwalaan mo. Alam ko guys, sinabi ko yan kanina sa inyo. Hand of Cards. Take a chance, risk, being strategic. Ang sabi ko ha, options, not showing hand, gambling. Anong sinabi ko? 'Di ba? You are like gambling. Uulitin ko ha. I'm so happy guys when it comes kapag nagre-read. Kasi talagang natutuwa ako lalo na pagka-resonated kasi. Ha? There is someone here gambling, taking a risk. Maybe may nag-aaya sa inyo na magpakasal. And this is from other culture, other country. And you are strategizing. Whether ikaw yung energy na to or this is the person yung nakukuha ko. Reversal guys ang energy, so take what's resonate. Ha? Okay. Pero this is the confirmation that someone here is being strategic, taking a chance, risking. Kasi nga, magkaiba ng culture. Meron ako nakikitang magkaiba ng culture and expansion card is here, guys. Expansion card, ibig sabihin, you are expanded your connections, not in your locations only or kung nasa saan ka man, but in other culture, other country. Naiintindihan nyo ba, guys? So, I hope na susundan ninyo, ha? The World card is here. Another card signifying that this is a hindi malapit na connection. This is abroad. Okay? O pwedeng nakilala mo to sa social media with the ilang computer ang nakita ko dito. You can be dealing with this person, nakita mo sa social media, the World card and the Seven of Swords. Pero meron ako nakikita dito na this is online. O pwedeng nakita mo sa social media, I don't know. So let's see. Sa yung Yin and Yang Oracle card. Okay. You have 4 cards, pile number 1. Let's see. Okay. Earth. Ace of Pentacles. Okay. You can be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This is a new start. Okay. With the Ace of Pentacles. Earth sign. You could be an earth sign. Growth. Anong sabi ko? Diba growth? Ibig sabihin, ano opportunity? Expansion or being expanded learnings is another word, synonym antonyms to growth. Okay? Sana naiintindihan ninyo, ha? Teaching. Diba? Expansion. Lectures. Okay? Growth. Next card. Pluto, transformation. Diba? Transformation and growth. Ibig sabihin, if you are growing, there is a transformation. Nakikita nyo ba guys? You can be a Scorpio with the moon. Or you are dealing with a Scorpio. The moon is a unknown or secrets. Okay? Unknown. Kumbaga parang hindi mo kabisado. Like other countries, ibang bansa, hindi mo kabisado 'di ba ang culture doon, hindi mo kabisado yung yung belief nila doon. Last card. Epiphany, breakthrough. So with the Hangman and breakthrough or epiphany, this is the confirmation na if you are having a difficulty looking for a direction or guidance, or you're still contemplating, you are having lacking of direction or anything, this is a breakthrough or a confirmation that you should take a risk. Okay? Kasi there is a big potential of happiness in this pile. Okay? Kasi wedding rings and 10 of cups is here. This is a very good energy to read, guys. Very good connection. So, siguro, ang nakukuha ko dito sa spread na nasa harapan ko, maybe, if we are asking kung anong gustong sabihin nitong person na to, if this is a foreign guy, foreign woman, this person wants to ask you for a marriage. Okay? So, ito yung natatakot. Pwede sigurong this person is worried, natatakot siya na ayain kang magpakasal. Kasi po pwedeng this is another growth, or this is an unknown. Bago sa'yo kasi. O pwedeng bago, natatakot kang ikasal or magpakasal, natatakot siyang ayain ka na magpakasal. Kasi po pwedeng you are afraid of unknown. I don't know guys, take what's resonate. Meron akong nakukuhang ganon, natatakot ka sa hindi mo kabisado na lugar, hindi mo kabisadong behavior ng mga taong makakasama mo. Yun, ang nakikita ko or natatakot tong person na to na ayain ka. Natatakot siyang mag-risk. Ayun yung gusto niyang sabihin. Natatakot siyang mag-risk. Natatakot siyang pwedeng i-pursue yung connection ninyo. Kasi pwedeng magkaiba kayo ng culture. Kaya inaaral pa niya eh. Pwedeng ikaw to eh, or ito yung person na yun eh. I don't know, pwedeng inaaral pa niya yung culture nyo, yung culture natin, culture mo, vice versa guys ha. Okay, so, tingnan natin, meron ka pang another oracle deck. So, you have 3 cards sa oracle deck na to. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Illness. Weakness. So, ibig sabihin, pwedeng yun nga, illness card here is pwedeng, siguro, meron ako nakikita dito na baka yung iba sa inyo, vice versa to guys ha, or itong person na to, natatakot siya na mag-risk or magpunta doon sa bansa na hindi niya kabisado kasi kapag mag-isa siya, syempre, kapag nagkasakit siya, walang ibang magte-take care sa kanya, or alam mo yun, ang daming what, 'di ba? What if, ang daming ganun akong nakikita eh. Meron akong nakikitang ganun. Natatakot na mag-risk kasi pag ganun ba may nangyari sa kanyang mga ganyan, halimbawa illness or anything, walang ibang pamilya siya doon sa bansa na yon, mag-iisa lang siya, parang ganun. Yun ang nakikita ko with the illness card. Right. Ceremony, mystery, magic. With ang nakikita ko dito is ceremony with the wedding and with the mystery and moon. So ibig sabihin, mysterious, unknown, guys. Unknown. This is an unknown connection or unknown path kasi nga different siya doon sa nakagisnan mo, lalo na kapag magkaiba pa ng culture and ng lahi. Okay? Vow. Oh my gosh! Ang sabi, with the vow card here, meron ako nakikita, someone is wishing or hoping or magkaiba nga ng belief. Magkaiba ng culture. Pwedeng, magbibigay ako ng example pwedeng yung bansa na yon is a Muslim country. Dubai, Riyadh, Saudi, Kuwait. Meron ako nakikitang ganyan na pwedeng ganun yung bansa, or pwedeng Buddhism. Meron akong narinig na Buddhism, meron akong narinig na para if you're a Catholic, syempre pwedeng iba yung Thailand. Meron akong nakita pwedeng Thailand, Korea, na which is iba yung paniniwala. Kasi dito sa card na to guys, meron akong nakikita parang Korea. May some kind of Korea in Thailand. Yung ganitong nakikita ko. Or Chinese. Yes. So it can be. This is the culture of the person you are dealing with. Take what's resonate, guys. So, tingnan natin yung messages niya sa'yo. Kunin muna natin yung dalawang niya. Yung dalawang clue in this connection para makita natin kung sino tong person na to. Money and third party. Okay guys, so meron akong nakukuha. Third party is not a person. Third party can be culture, money, belief. Or there is a third party na humaharang dito sa connection na to, whether this is a money, a belief, or culture. Pero money is here, so pwedeng mapera tong person na to, and ikaw, hindi masyado, pwedeng gano'n kasi magkaiba kayo ng culture eh. Kaya medyo baka ikaw yung afraid, ikaw yung natatakot, ikaw yung maraming iniisip with the Seven of Swords, ikaw yung maraming parang nag-overthink na, ala, what if ganito? Ala, ganito, what if ganyan? Ganon ang nakikita ko, guys. Ha? Pero this is a good potential with the wedding and the Ten of Cups, guys. Okay, ano yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo? So, this is the messages, guys, for pile number 1. So, let's see. First, we look to your Hermit tarot card. So, number 7. Let me hold you. Oh! This person wants to be with you. Oh. Number 9, please give me time. I've never felt this way before. Oh! Pupwedeng, pupwedeng you are asking the time to make a decision in regards dito sa situation na to, or ito yung person na to na asking you to give him a time pa. Okay? To adjust, to learn, vice versa guys Kasi ngayon niya lang naramdaman to, whether magkaiba kayo ng culture. I hope naiintindihan nyo guys Number 5, I meant what I said. So, ibig sabihin, if this person promised you a marriage or a long-lasting connection, this person says na, I meant what I said. So, totoo yung sinasabi niya sa'yo or pinangako niya sa'yo. Kung ano man yon. Ikaw nakakaalam nun, guys. Number 2, I still don't have all the answers. Pwedeng ikaw to, guys. If you are the one who is making a decision in this connection, pwedeng hindi mo pa alam kung ano yung gagawin mo if you are in the hangman energy. Lacking direction, contemplating, okay? You still don't have the answer. And number 7, oh my God! With the let me hold you and let me have you, number 7 again. Let me have you, let me hold you. Pero, ang sagot is give me time. I've never felt this way before. I meant what I said. I still don't have the answer. Pwede ito yung sinasabi ng other person, let me have you, let me hold you. Gusto ko niyang makasama, gusto ko niyang alagaan. Pwedeng ikaw, may sakit yung isa sa inyo with the illness card and someone is saying to the other person na, let me have you, let me take care of you. I want to go there sa'yo kung nasasaan ka man. Pwedeng mas, with the hero pan, pwedeng mas may edad to kesa sa'yo. Okay? So, yun ang nakikita ko guys, ha? Okay? Okay, last card, titingnan natin. Ano yung messages pa niya sa'yo? Pile number 1, and then, and kung na yung reading natin kay pile number 1, let's go with the pile number 2 na, okay? So, this is your final card. You are still my baby. I need a break. So, meron ako nakuha, kung sino man yung nagdidesisyon dito or contemplating, this person is asking a break. Give time. Kasi hindi pa siya makapag-decide. Be happy. Let's go and live. Oh my God, this person, this is a signify that someone is inaaya yung other person na tara na, let's go and live. I am letting you go. Oh my gosh, I am letting you go. Meron akong nakuha for some of you guys. Siguro mas nanaig yung takot nung kung sino mang person dito yung natatakot na mag-risk sa unknown. Parang natatakot, parang inisip nyo na parang it's too good to be true. Kaya nakapag-desisyon, kasi hindi pa niya alam kung anong desisyon niya, siguro yung isa dito is waiting on a, alam mo yun, waiting on a decision. Nape-pressure siguro yung isa dito. I don't know. Nape-pressure. Meron ako nakuhang energy na ganun, guys. Okay. So for some of you guys, this is my final read of energies. Someone here is asking for a space muna sa other person to just give him her time kung ano yung magiging decision. Kasi someone here is not sure pa. Kasi feeling niya she or he is gambling. May nagko-contemplate pa kasi dito eh. Meron ako nakitang Two of Pentacles kahit na wala pa ditong Two of Pentacles. Meron ako dito nakita na someone asking someone na give time muna. Mag-iisip muna siya. Take a break. I'm letting you go muna this time pero you are still my baby. Nagigets nyo ba guys? So ganun yung nakikita ko. You are still my baby. There is no third party involved here. And someone here is pwede sigurong asikasuhin muna yung money niya. Kasi pwedeng ibang bansa kasi yung usapan and medyo mahirap kapag wala kang money na sarili. So, yun ang nakita ko. So, I hope guys nag-resonate sa inyo to, pile number 1. So, this is your reading. So, ano yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo? Someone here is afraid to ask someone maybe to take a break. To let go muna pansamantala. Kasi hindi pa makapag-desisyon. Kasi natatakot pa siya sa unknown. Kasi pwedeng hindi niya kabisado yung country, yung culture, magkaiba kayo ng belief. So, pwedeng ganun yung nakita ko, guys. And pwedeng someone is nape-pressure sa marriage. Kasi meron ako nakita dito na someone is asking someone a marriage. A proposal. And napapressure siguro yung isa. Para bang ang dami-dami niyang iniisip na ang dami niya kailangang asikasuhin. Kailangan niya pag-aralan yung lugar, kailangan niya pag-aralan yung culture, kailangan niyang i-adapt, parang ganon. Meron ako nakikitang na-pressure sa transformation or sa growth. Okay? So, hindi ko napapahabaan. I will go to pile number 2. So, pile number 1, I hope nag-resonate sa ito. Please do subscribe para mas dumami pa ang ating community, ang ating Dapper Cats kay Leluna. Okay? And para mas maging active pa yung ating channel. You can share it with your friend. Okay? So, maraming salamat. And I will go to pile number 2. Kung hindi resonated sa'yo to, pwede kang pumili pa dun sa other pile. Okay? So, bye! Pile number 2. Kung yung pile number 2 ang napili mo, this is your reading. Okay, so ano yung topic natin? Topic natin is ano yung natatakot siyang sabihin sa'yo. Ito yung mga bagay na takot sabihin sa'yo nung person na nasa mind mo, currently, dealing with an ex, or a future person. Okay, so titingnan natin. So, kung ito yung napili mong pile, this is your pile. Okay? First card mo sa ating Luminous Oracle deck is Aquarius. The Innovator. So you could be an air sign, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, or this person is an Aquarius. Okay? You can be a rational kind of a person, humanitarian, eccentric, okay? So, meron ako nakikita dito na unique. Unique ang personality. Very edgy. Personality ang meron. So, titingnan natin, guys. Let's see. So, first, tingnan natin yung iyong tarot card. Pile number 2. Ooh, 8 of Cups. 8 of Cups, water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Pwedeng this person is nag-walk away sa'yo or ikaw ang nag-walk away dito sa person na to. Let's see. Okay. Ten of Wands, Burden, Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Pwedeng someone here is nag-walk away kasi nababurden siya sa other person. So, titingnan natin. Two of Wands, Fire sign again. Oh my gosh. Ten of Swords, Air sign. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Five of Pentacles, Earth sign. Oh my gosh. Okay. What I sense here, pile number 2, maybe this person wants to move, nag-move on or inabandon na kanitong person na to. Kasi, nabiburden siya sa responsibility or sa problem ng connection ninyo. Or this person feeling na taking for granted siya. So, take what's resonate, guys. With the Two of Wands, there is a choice here. A two-path na gustong puntahan or a decision options. So, I don't know. Kung siguro indecisive pa tong person na to or pwedeng ikaw to na parang gusto mo nang kumawala dun sa connection kasi sobrang problematic na nung connections ninyo or marami kayong problemang kinakaharap. So, yun yung nakukuha ko. And maybe you want to have a decision na on your connections. With the Ten of Swords, there is a ending, okay? Pwedeng nag-end na yung connection mo with this person or pwedeng this is an ex, okay? With the Ten of Swords here. Someone here is hurt doon sa naging action nung isang person. Pwedeng inabandon na ka nito, iniwanan ka na nito, kaya nag-end yung connection. And someone here is still feel the pain between the two of you or dun sa nangyari. Kasi nga feeling niya iniwan siya, left out in the cold. Someone here is feeling iniwanan sa ere. So, pakinggan nyo yung ere ni Juan Carlos. So, pakinggan nyo yung ere ni Juan Carlos, please. So, yun yung nakikita ko. Pwedeng si Aquarius ang nag-let go ng iwan dito sa person na to. Okay? Kasi si Aquarius is a free-spirited kind of a person. Yes. Mabilis siyang mag-move on. May mga Aquarius na mabilis mag-move on sa isang sitwasyon if they feel na parang taking for granted, if they feel na para bang ang hirap na nung sitwasyon, if they feel na parang hindi na wala nang spark yung connection. Kasi ang Aquarius ang isa sa mga zodiac sign na medyo mahirap ipa-settle down. Kasi they are free-spirited, maraming friends, okay? Masyadong outgoing. Ano? Okay, so let's see. Five of Wands. Wands again can be a Sagittarius. Seven of Wands. O, diba? Once again, fire sign. Maybe Aquarius dealing with a fire sign. Two of Pentacles, earth sign. The Hermit card, Virgo, earth sign. Strength card, Leo. And Two of Cups, water sign. Okay. 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 So, meron ako nakita dito na yung someone dito is gusto mo nang ialis yung sarili niya or teka lang, paano ko ba sasabihin? Someone here is lumayo muna sa connection kasi masyado ng toxic or nababurden doon sa connection ninyong parehas. Pwede kasing maraming bagay na dahilan. Bakit hindi magkasundo yung both sides or yung mag-partner? Pwedeng marami na kayong problema. Pwede sigurong dahil edgy si Aquarius or masyado siyang free-spirited or marami siyang gustong gawin. Yung someone naman is parang feeling niya, parang yung boundary niya kasi siguro meron ako nakuhang energy dito na kung halimbawang mag-on kayo, mag-girlfriend kayo, boyfriend, or ano pa mang connection kung meron kayo, yung isa dito nakakaramdam na para kang single. Ayan magbibigay ako ng example. Nararamdaman ng isa na para kang single kung umasta. With the Five of Wands, magulo. Magulo, hindi magkatagpo ng gustong gawin. Gustong gawin sa life or pwedeng magkaiba ng values. Okay? Pero meron ako nakikita dito na parehas na mahal naman ng isa't isa. Pwede sigurong na-realize din nyo na para magkaiba kayo ng values kaya siguro nag-let go yung isa. Lumayo yung isa, nagpakalayo-layo. Seven of Wands is someone is closed off. Pwede sigurong nag-go into hermit. Pwede sigurong yung isa is nag-study muna, nag-aral, nagtrabaho, nag-focus sa trabaho. Okay? Meron ako nakita dito, nag-focus sa trabaho, nag-focus muna sa nag-focus muna sa sa personal life niya. Yes, nag-focus sa personal life niya. Nagpapakatatag pa rin. Pero kasi meron ako nakikita dito na someone feeling niya, sinaktan lang siya, binitray siya, binackstab siya. Oo. Meron ako nakita dito na someone is hindi parang tinake personally yung paglayo o pag-alis muna ng other person. Tinake niya personally. Pero meron ako nakita ditong Two of Cups mahal. Mahal niya pa yung person Pero masama ang loob niya, galit siya. Kasi feeling niya iniwanan siya. Feeling niya iniwanan siya. Siguro sa laban or sa kung anong problema man yung pinagdadaanan nila. Meron akong nakitang ganon. Feeling niya parang iniwanan siyang mag-isa. Two of Pentacles, ginagel siya. Feeling niya, alam mo yung feeling niya ay pinagpalit siya sa kung ano man yung dahilan kung bakit naghiwalay sila. Leo is here. The Strength card is here. Someone here is nagpapakatatag. Kahit nahiwalay na sila with the ending. Meron din ako nakita na no communication dito. May naramdaman akong no communication. Pero Two of Cups is here. Kung if you are the one who is iniwan, okay, and you are the one who feel na binitray, na left out in the cold between the two of you, mahal ka pa nitong person na to even though magkahiwalay kayo. Mahal ka pa nitong person na to. Kasi nandito pa yung Two of Cups. Siguro, yun ang gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo na kahit na iniwanan ka niya, natatakot siyang sabihin sa'yo na kaya siya umalis. Ito ha, guys, makinig kayo ha. Kung sino man yun ang iwan dito, ang sabi niya, natatakot siyang sabihin sa'yo na kaya siya umalis kasi nahihirapan siya, nai-stress siya. Gusto niya i-pursue yung other path na available sa kanya or other option. Kasi akala niya siguro the grass is always greener on the other side. Kaya dinitouch niya yung sarili niya sa'yo. Okay? Pero, siguro, kaya siya hindi nakikipag-usap sa'yo or no communication, meron ako nakikita dito na sabi niya, pinursu niya yung pwedeng study niya, yung work niya, okay? Meron akong nakita dito na hindi pa siya nakikipag-communicate sa'yo kasi hindi pa okay. Pwedeng may inaayos siya sa life niya. O pwedeng someone here is still healing, in a hermit mode, still healing, nagpapakalakas. Nasaktan kasi siya. Kung sino man yung na-hurt dito sa connection na to, pile number 2. And pwede din na kung sino man dito yung guarded, kung sino man yung guarded dito, or nag-stop communicating dun sa other person, gusto niyang sabihin na kaya ayaw niya makipag-communicate kahit na mahal pa niya yung other person. Natatakot siyang sabihin yun eh. Kasi feeling niya, binitray siya, tapos iniwanan siyang mag-isa. And natatakot din siyang aminin na mahal pa rin niya yung person. So, tingnan natin sa yung oracle card. So, 2 Island Wellness Time, meron ka. Mask. Not showing true feelings. Diba? I'm so talaga, guys. Kapag nagre-resonate. Anong sabi ko? Someone here is natatakot na sabihin na mahal pa niya yung other person. Diba sinabi ko, kakasabi ko lang. Lumabas mask. Not showing true feelings, hide personify, pretend, delude, gaslighting. So someone here is just hiding his feeling or her feelings toward doon sa person na sinaktan siya or nag-walk away sa kanya. Kasi feeling nga niya na-betray siya eh. Hindi niya matanggap sa sarili niya na kahit na ganun yung nangyari, mahal pa rin niya yung person. Mask. Wearing mask. Okay guys, wearing mask. O pwedeng siguro, nililibang itong person na to yung sarili niya by traveling. Going elsewhere, namamasyal. Pero deep inside this person is hurting. And mahal ka, kahit nasasaktan siya, mahal pa rin niya yung person. Equal yung love dito, guys, kasi 2 of Cups to. Same emotion, same feelings pa rin. Meron kayo para sa isa't isa. So, if you are the one na nandoon sa side na umalis, na sinaktan mo yung person, iniwanan mo yung person, still, mahal mo pa rin yung person na yun kahit iniwanan mo siya. So, siguro, meron ka lang talaga mga bagay na kailangan asikasuhin pa, na kailangan feeling mo parang gusto mo ng ibang path. Gusto mo pang mag-explore. Ayan ha. And kung ikaw naman yung nasa side na iniwanan at hindi nang iwan, masakit para sa'yo yung nangyari kasi feeling mo, binitray ka, iniwanan ka doon sa kalagitnaan nung problem or nung struggle ninyong parehas. Kung kailan mahirap na yung sitwasyon, sa kanya iniwanan. Yun yung hindi mo matanggap. Pero kahit na ganun yung ginawa niya, mahal mo pa rin siya. With the 2 of Cups. Okay? I hope na sundan ninyo yung reading natin, guys. Love call. Someone expresses love, a message of love, thinking of you and letting you know. Oh my gosh! Someone here wants to talk to someone. Oh, kung sino man tong nang iwan sa'yo, kung ikaw man ang naiwan, or kung ikaw man ang nang iwan, at kung sino man yung iniwan mo, vice versa, gusto ninyong makausap. To express love, to express emotion, para ipaalam na iniisip mo siya. And maybe this reading is the other form of this someone to letting you know that this person is thinking of you and still loves you. Kung sino man ang pumili ng pile number 2. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. With your yin and yang oracle card, pile number 2, you have 4 cards. Regret! I'm so sorry, guys. Regret. Someone is having a regret. Leaving someone. In the verge of struggle. Kung kailan may problema. Regret. Someone here is having a regret. Chemistry, passion. Mahal nyo pa ang isa't isa. Yung chemistry between the 2 of you is very, very fiery. Passionate pa kayo sa isa't isa. Okay? So, I hope naiintindihan nyo kung ano ibig ko sabihin, guys. Next is fire sign. Ano sabi ko? Maybe you are dealing with a fire sign with the wands here. Leo, strength card. Fire sign, Ace of Wands. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Fire sign. Ano sabi ko, diba? Fire sign. Maybe you are the Aquarius, air sign, or fire sign, or earth sign. Someone here still loves you, still wants you, and passionate pa rin towards you. So, vice versa, guys. Comfort zone, south node, clinging. Okay, so, this is another confirmation that kung sino man yung iniwan dito, still clinging, vice versa, doon sa iniwanan siya or sa nang iwan. Ano? Parang naguluhan ako doon. Kung sino man yung iniwan dito, if you are the one na iniwan, and this person na nakukuha nating energy is yung nang iwan, you are still clinging to each other. Kasi both, there are 2 of Cups here. Okay? Still thinking of you. Still wants you, and still passionate sa'yo. So, tingnan natin dito sa yung 3 card kung ano yung additional information. family. Oh, there is a strong bond here confirming na maybe this is a long-term relationship with a family card here. Pwedeng ka-live-in mo to with the Ten of Wands. Marami kayong struggle na pinagdaanan nitong person na to. You have a family with this person. Oh my gosh! Sweetheart! Aww! Unconditional love, beloved, pure. Oh, this is another card confirming na maybe this is your sweetheart. Itong nang iwan sa'yo sa ere. I'm sad. Itong iniwanan ka sa ere. Pwedeng may anak kayo nito. Meron ako nakikita pwedeng iniwanan ka nito, nagdadalang tao ka. If you are the female here. Oh. Blessings, fulfillment, well-being, enlightenment. So, meron ako nakuha dito na kung buntis ka na iniwanan ka nito, wag kang, alam mo yun, yung wag kang magsisi kasi that child is a blessing. Okay? Meron akong nakuha sa inyo na for some of you ha. Mahal ka pa rin itong person na to na lumayo or nag-move forward or umalis. And this person is regretting kung ano man yung nangyari or kung ano man yung ginawa niya para masaktan ka. So let's see on your hermit, let's see on your 2 clue card that I made. Fuckboy. This person is a fuckboy before guys ha. Maybe this person has history na mahilig sa babae and live. With the live clue, ito yung umalis. Itong fuckboy-aboy na to. Guys, this person is regretting. Yes, oo. Regretting tong person na to. Itong iniwanan ka. Okay? So, tingnan natin sa yung Hermit Tarot card kung ano yung messages nitong person na to, yung mga takot siyang sabihin sa'yo. What do you want? Number 4. So, maybe you are the one who is asking, ano bang kailangan mo? Parang ganon. Number 4, I lie awake thinking about our future. Oh, this person confirms that still he is thinking of you and gusto niyang malaman mo yon. Next, I am obsessed with your body. Passionate. This person still passionate towards you. Oh! I'm sorry. This person regret to leave you, to abandon you. And this person says, I'm sorry. I'm sorry daw, guys. Okay, next. Maybe. So, maybe you are the one who is saying na maybe. Siguro kung mag-aayos pa ba kayo or maybe siguro ikaw yung ayaw na makipag-communicate dito sa person na to. And maybe if this person asking you if patatawarin mo ba siya, sabi mo maybe, siguro. And tingnan pa natin yung iyong 5 messages sa ginawa kong card. I am married. For some of you guys, pwedeng married ka dito sa person na to with the family card or this person, yung iba sa inyo is married tong person na to. Pero meron ako nakikita na married, asawa mo to, or ka-live-in, asawa. There is a small chances na may nakikita kong energy na married tong person na to sa iba. Kaya ka iniwanan. Okay? Soon, I will tell you. Maybe, siguro tatawagan ka nito, and soon, he will tell you or she will tell you that she or he still thinking of you. Okay? Oh my God! I'm obsessed with your body. I am attracted to your body. This person still passionate about you. And maybe dito sa may sweetheart na to, na nagpapakita ng may ultrasound na baby, siguro gusto niya magkaanak kayo. Gusto niya magkaroon ng pamilya sa'yo. Yun siguro yung natatakot siyang sabihin sa'yo. Oh my gosh. Gusto ko nitong juntisin, guys. File number 2. Okay? Next. It's true. O, di ba? It's true. Yung sinasabi ko, it's true daw. I cannot. Last card. I don't know with the maybe card. Oh my gosh. I don't know with the maybe card. Pwede ikaw nasasabi nito na ewan ko. I don't know in Tagalog is ewan. Medyo masakit sa ulo to, guys. Pwedeng this person is the Aquarius and you are the Earth sign. You are the stable one sa connection. Okay. So, file number 2, this is your reading. Ano yung mga gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo pero natatakot siya? Pwedeng passionate pa raw siya towards you. Gusto niyang magkaanak sa'yo. Gusto ka niyang kausapin. To know you, para malaman mo kung ano yung nararamdaman niya. And gusto niyang sabihin na kung sino man yung nang iwan dito, he feels sorry to leave you. Kasi he or she, malakas sa akin nararamdaman ko, he thought that grass is greener on the other side. Okay, so file number 2, please share it to your friend, like this video, comment down below, share some love, or show some love kay Laluna, comment down kung resonated sa'yo yung file number 2 na napili mo. Okay? And I highly appreciated that. Kung hindi man resonated sa'yo ito, pwede kang pumili kay file number 1 or file number 3 kasi baka resonated sa'yo yon. Okay? Hindi ko napapatagalan. I will go to file number 3, guys, kasi medyo mahaba-haba yung video natin. So, maraming salamat. Abangan nyo pa yung aking mga susunod na upload. And please subscribe para dumami pa yung community natin kay Laluna. Okay, file number 2. Bye! Okay, last but not the least, file number 3. So, kung ito yung napili mong file, so this is your reading. Okay, so ano ba yung topic natin for today? Ang topic natin is ano ba yung mga bagay na gustong sabihin sa'yo ng person on your mind or yung kadil mo pero natatakot siyang sabihin sa'yo. So, ito yung mga bagay na gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo pero natatakot siyang sabihin sa'yo. So, file number 3, kung ito ang napili mo, ito yung gustong sabihin ng person na sa isip mo. Whether this is a current lover, a situationship, an ex, okay? Or past lover, dating na natin yan, okay? First, this is your numinous card. So, 8th house, intimacy. Number 8 can be significant sa inyo, guys. Okay. Ooh. You could be Scorpio. Meron ako nakikita dito, this is all about intimacy or about a sexual connection, physical connection to someone. Or maybe this person wants to be intimate sa'yo. Okay, so titingnan natin guys ha. This is a Kundalini energy. So po pwedeng this person still stalking you or obsessed with your body. Titingnan natin guys, this is an intimacy card, 8 house. About sex, your lower chakra. Okay, so titingnan natin. So yung tarot card muna, let's start with your tarot card. Uy, 5 of Cups, water sign, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. Queen of Cups, water sign again. 7 of Cups again. Cups. Matubig. Maybe you are the Queen of Cups or this is a Queen of Cups. Six of Pentacles. Earth sign. 10 of Pentacles. Earth sign again. Maybe you are dealing with a water sign or an earth sign. You could be the earth sign or water sign, vice versa. So take what's resonate, guys. Okay. Meron ako nakikita for some of you. There is someone here na sad. It can be you are the one who is sad. Queen of Cups. Maybe kasi siguro hindi mo mapagtuunan yung emotions mo. Hindi mo mapagtuunan yung emotions mo right now or yung feelings mo, your sexual life mo. Kasi you are busy giving too much or taking care on your family, maybe on your family, or you are giving way too much of other things sa family mo. Maybe a parent, I don't know. Kasi 10 of Pentacles is here. Meron din ako nakikita dito na po pwedeng gusto mo na magkapamilya. Yes. Or you are dreaming to have a family na, to settle down na. Meron ako nakikita dito na you should pursue or you should find what you want, okay, when it comes to your happiness. Kasi meron ako nakikita dito na you want to explore other options. Yes. Meron ako nakikita dito na na gusto mo na sigurong mag-settle down. I don't know, gusto mo na mag-settle down. Maybe if you are the Queen of Cups here, Siguro you are busy busy working. Ten of Pentacles kasi to Bukod sa family kasi, pwedeng meron ako nakuha ngayon lang na message na maybe you are already married and meron kayong to problem or you have an infertility problem. Meron ako nakikita. Gusto mo na magkapamilya. Kaso, parang may problem ka sa lower chakra mo or sa pagiging fertile. You are a very loving kind of a person. Oo, you are a warm person. Very kind also. Very feminine kind of a person. Siguro gusto mo na magkaanak. Meron ako dito nakuha for some of you, pal number 3. Gusto mo na magkaanak and you are choosing siguro tumingin ka na ng other alternative or pangarap mo siguro magkaroon na ng pamilya, magkaanak kayo, pero parang hindi pa nahihirapan maybe mag-conceive. Yes. Or nahihirapan kang mag-give in. Meron ako nakikita ito guys baka yung for some of you is nahihirapan na mag-give in. Natatakot. Natatakot pang mag-boom-boom. O yan Natatakot i-explore ang sexuality. Natatakot na pwedeng ma-in love. Natatakot na maging intimate to someone. I don't know. Titingnan pa natin, guys. Let's see. King of Swords. Oh, maybe you are dealing with the King of Swords. Justice. Actually, naka-reverse yan kanina. Kasi nga Pero hindi kasi ako nagbabasa reversal. Page of Cups. Queen of Pentacles. Uy. Four of Pentacles. Oh. Ay. Why do I feel that there is someone dealing with two person here? There is someone dealing with two person here with the Six of Pentacles. Equal give and take. Someone here is married. Meron ako nakikita dito na someone here is gusto nang magkapamilya. Pero yung person na yon is dealing with two person. O pwedeng dealing with two feminines, Queen of Pentacles and Queen of Cups. The other one is choosing between two person. One to offer his cup of love dito sa isa sa person, dito sa isa sa feminines na nandirito. Okay? Exploring other options. So, namimili siya. Pero meron ako nakikita dito na there is someone na sad or regret, more heartbreak, or there is someone, pwedeng si Queen of Cups is yung broken-hearted right now. Meron ako nakikita dito na someone is afraid of intimacy. To be intimate. I don't know kung ano ba yon kasi there is 3 character here. Po pwedeng si King of Swords dito, yung parang may trauma sa love, kaya takot siyang pumili. Or po pwedeng si Queen of Cups dito, yung takot na mag-risk kasi iniisip niya po pwedeng this King of Swords is dealing with another person which is si Queen of Pentacles. Pero meron akong nakikita dito na meron ditong hurt sinaktan. Kasi, meron ako dito nakita po, pwedeng si Queen of Cups ito. Siya yung malungkot. Yung ano siya. Po, pwede sigurong kasal sila nito or may family sila nitong King of Swords na to. Kaso, nahihirapan mag-conceive. Okay? Nahihirapan mag-conceive or nahihirapang maging intimate itong si Queen of Cups kay King of Swords. Take what's resonate, guys, ha? Sundan nyo na lang yung sinasabi ko kasi yun yung nababasa ko right now. Nakukuha kong energy. So, po pwede sigurong may umagaw dito kay King of Swords, which is si Queen of Pentacles. Si Four of Pentacles kasi is a card of parang feeling niya entitled siya dun sa other person. Okay. Si Four of Pentacles, yung parang gusto niya i-keep sa kanya or agawin sa kanya or feeling niya pag-aari niya itong other person. So, hindi ko alam kung sino dito yung pwede sigurong married na tong guy na to dito kay Queen of Cups, vice versa. Then, nakikiapid siya. Ayaw niyang pakawalan tong si Queen of Cups kasi feeling niya kanya or nag-offer siya ng Page of Cups or ng ibang emotion sa other kasi Seven of Cups is option. Naghanap ng other options. Okay? Merong someone dito na mamimili between the two feminine. It's either Queen of Cups or Queen of Pentacles. And malakas na nakikita ko ditong energy, si King of Swords is need to choose between the two of this feminine. Oh my gosh. Wants to offer his love, his Page of Cup, his emotion. O pwedeng nagloko tong si King of Swords, niloko niya si Queen of Cups kasi hindi alam mo yon yung pwedeng natukso with the intimacy card ng babae. There is a justice here. So, titingnan pa natin, guys. So, yung Island Time Wellness card. So, you have 2 Island Time Wellness card. Pile number 3. Hammer. Sabotage, rebuilding, interrogation, repetitive, persistent, working on it. Sabotage. Someone is sabotaging a connection. Someone is pwedeng inakit yung other person. With the intimacy card, 8th house, erotic. With the erotic, someone is inakit yung other person, pwedeng ganon. Para maging kanya. Or naakit. Okay? Pwedeng dealing with justice right now. Or pwedeng dealing with a case or law. Kasi siguro, kasal, married, with the 10 of Pentacles. Tapos nakiaped, so dealing with law. Or trials right now. Let's see. Kisses. unconditionally loving, giving and receiving affection, falling in love. So kung sino man dito yung iniwanan, na feel ko na si Queen of Cups is mapagmahal na person. Pero niloko pa rin. Ayun ang nakuha ko na energy. Sinabotage niya itong King of Swords, si Queen of Cups. Niloko pa rin niya. So, next card. Yin and Yang Oracle. So, you have 4 with the Yin and Yang Oracle. Let's see. Higher Self Activation. Alchemy, Ancestor Guides. Forming Structure, Solid Foundation. Family. So, yun ang nakita ko. Family. Feminine. Okay, so nakikita ko dito, if you are the one who is niloko, if you are the Queen of Cups, kung sino man yung naloko dito, and yung isa nag-choose sa other options, you are in your higher self right now. And pa pwede siguro, kung nalaman mo na niloloko ka, and you are in a case with this person na nanloko sa'yo, you are in your feminine power right now. You are very loving kind of a person. Siguro, sabihin na natin, huwag kang matakot na i-explore yung sexuality mo. Okay? So, tingnan nga natin. Dito pa sa iyong oracle card na to, guys. Let's see. Aid. Mercy, charity, kindness. So, someone will give you help. And meron ako nakikita dito, your ancestor will give you help. Kung you are dealing with this, if you are dealing with a case with this person, there is someone helping you. Live and learn. So, this is an experience, a training, a development to form a solid foundation in the future para sa'yo. Kung ikaw man yung naiwanan. Apology. Guilt, confession, forgiveness. So, forgive yourself. Pile number 3, kung ikaw yung si Queen of Cups, o kung sino man yung naiwan dito don't worry, kasi may naramdaman ako, si Queen of Cups yung nasa 5 of Cups na energy right now. Someone will give you apology and give forgiveness din maybe dito sa other person na to kung bakit siya nag-cheat or bakit. Meron ako nakuha kasi dito, choose someone May pinili na iba or may natukso sa iba, tinukso. I don't know, guys. Let's see on your Hermit card. Meron ka pang messages dito. So, tingnan mo natin dito sa clue. Clue card mo, para number 3. Wife. Anong sabi ko? You are the wife of this person. You can be the wife. Niloko ka. Abroad. Oh, maybe you are abroad or this person is working abroad and pwede sigurong nagloko, nag-cheat, nag-offer ng emotion, ng love sa iba. Pain. And this is another confirmation na you are in the 5 of Cups. You are in pain right now because maybe dahil nga dun sa nangyari. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ano yung messages na itong person na to sa'yo? Pile number 3. Oy. Ace of Swords. This person will send you a message. Okay? Or spying on you. Happiness is my priority. So, kung before, hindi mo priority yung sarili mo, this time, you need to prioritize your happiness. Okay? Move on, heal yourself. Okay? And take the situation as live and learn and experience a training and a development to have a solid foundation in the future. You are right. Sabi niya, tama ka daw kung ano yung sinabi mo about sa kanya. I want a fresh start with you. This person wants to apologize, or this person na nanakit sa'yo na naghanap ng ibang babae, na tukso sa ibang babae, pwedeng naging intimate sa ibang babae, natatakot siyang sabihin sa'yo, na kung ano yung sinabi mo sa kanya, tama ka, gusto niyang magkaroon ng fresh start with you daw, nag-i-spy siya sa'yo, gusto niyang humingi ng tawad sa'yo. And next is, I am terrified. So, this person is terrified right now. Yun ang sabi niya. Okay, so, tingnan pa natin yung other messages mo. Pile number 3. I can't decide. Oh my gosh. This person can't decide kung anong pipiliin. Oh my gosh. Or maybe this is you. Hindi makapag-decide doon sa sinabi ng person mo or sa takot siyang sabihin sa'yo. I will wait. This person, sabi niya, takot siyang sabihin sa'yo na aantayin ka niya. I am healed. Release me. Oh my gosh. You are one of a kind. And I wish you the best. Okay? Okay, meron ako nakuha dito na yung release me card is for you. Ikaw ang nagsasabi nito doon sa person na yon na release me. Ayaw mo nang magkaroon ng fresh start sa kanya. And maybe ikaw ang nagsabi na I wish you the best. Para sa kanya, you want to move on. Okay, so pile number 3, ano yung reading mo? So, ito yung reading mo. Ito yung gustong sabihin sa'yo ng person na yun. Gusto niya magkaroon ng fresh start with you. Nag-i-spy pa siya sa'yo. Gusto niya humingi ng apology. Gusto niya mag-sorry sa'yo. And gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo na hihintayin ka niya. Okay? If you are the one na gusto makipagbalikan or gusto mag-sorry, ito yung gusto mong sabihin doon sa person. If ito naman yung nang iwan at gusto makipagbalikan sa'yo, ito yung nanakit sa'yo, ito yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo. So, take what resonate, guys. This is vice versa. Okay? So, sana nag-resonate sa inyo itong reading mo, pile number 3. I really appreciate kung i-comment mo kung resonated sa'yo to. Like this video, share this video with your friend. Pwede din share with your family. Okay, kung hindi nag-resonate sa ito, pwede kang pumili kay pile number 1 and pile number 2. Maraming salamat, guys. And see you on my next reading. Subscribe ka na sa akin, guys, para dumami pa yung ating community. Okay, so maraming salamat, guys. And see you tomorrow. Bye!